Telegram Premium benefits. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can actually figure out the benefits of Telegram Premium, and I'm going to give you a walkthrough of that, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now, first of all, open Telegram. You can see that I have got a premium account. If you just look at the verification badge there, it indicates that I have a premium account. Now, to discuss the features of premium account, I'm just going to go to settings. You will find all those features right under this Telegram Premium section. Just tap on it. The very first is of the stories. You can do unlimited posting with priority orders, stealth mode, prominent view history, and more. This is one of the first features. Then unlimited cloud storage, 4 GB per each document, unlimited storage for your chats and media overall, which means you can store as many chats as you'd like. Then double limits, you can make up to 1000 channels, 30 folders, 10 pins, 20 public links, and 4 accounts and more. Then if you go to voice to text conversion, ability to read the transcript of any incoming voice message as well. Then you have faster download speeds that they're going to offer you, real-time translation of chats and channels into other languages. Animated emojis include animated emoji from different packs in any message you send. Then after that, you have emoji status. Choose from thousands of emoji to display current activity next to your name. And profile badge, an exclusive badge next to your name showing that you subscribe to Telegram Premium, as you could see on mine as well. Then you have advanced chat management tools to set the default folder, auto archive, and hide new chats from non-contacts. No more ads in public channels where Telegram sometimes shows ads. Premium app icons, infinite reactions, animated profile pictures, premium stickers, and a wallpaper for both sides, which is new, and name and profile colors. These are simply some of the benefits of having a Telegram Premium account. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.